Hey, so tonight is taco soup night. Who has never heard of taco soup? It's the best, so easy. It's gonna be so good. This is what we got. Here's the ingredients. 1 pack ground deer meat, 2 cans Rotel Mild. You can make it spicy if you want. 2 cans Pinto Beans. Might need some gas X after this. 1 can of corn and 1 onion or half an onion. 1 pack ranch, 1 pack taco seasoning. Let's get it cooking. All right, first, let's dice this sucker up. I'm literally having to squat because I'm so freaking tall, I can't fit in the frame. Yeah. Got our onion diced up. Now we're about to slap some butter on it and let's start caramelizing those onions. All right, so we've diced the onions, put it in the pan, add a little butter. Let's get that going and let's start opening up some cans. Open up some cans. That was dumb. Let's start over. All right, y'all, we got the onions mixing and mincing and cooking and browning and all that good jazz. And now we're gonna stir this up real good. And I've turned it on about medium low. And then I'm gonna stir this up real good and then add the deer meat. All right, it's almost done. Okay, so now I gotta drain off the meat, and I don't ever put grease down the sink, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. I use a paper plate, some napkins, and a strainer. We ever so carefully stir this so we don't spill any out of the pot. I've got it on a simmer. All right, so now I'm gonna let this simmer for about 15 minutes and then we're ready to eat. Tall girl problems. Literally have to squat in this camera. It's ridiculous. So my grease drip homemade Dixie plate pan catcher is now ready to go in the trash. And I try to pick out the tomato skins from the Rotel cans because I don't like all those tomato skins floating around. I don't like it. So now we just throw this in the trash. What are you doing? Yeah, you want some taco soup? I think Gizmo wants some. Yeah, come here, sit. Sit, stay, shake. Good boy. Here's a fun tip. So while this is kind of on medium high, kind of simmering for about 10-15 minutes, go throw some dishes in the dishwasher and you'll have half the kitchen cleaned up. I need a tan. Anybody got any spray tan? Ooh, this girl's white. And for the grand finale, we need cheese, sour cream, and an avocado. That's classic. That wraps it up. So the soup is done. Put it in a bowl. topped with some sour cream, cheese, and avocado. Mmm. Holy smokes, that was good. Let me know if you try it.